hated on him. Used to be a high roller, but I skated on him. When he went away, then I just waited on him. Came back, then I got X-rated on him. Never hesitated on him, even though I had to go up elevated on him. Had the trap house, but it got raided on him. But I kept a real player, never traded on him. I mean, I wouldn't call them enemies, more like some graffiti to be raggedy hips enemies. I mean, one thing for sure ain't no forgetting me. Me and my girls been them, spot we in them. When the sun hit his eyes, so when the stars start to twinkle at night, guys, I just can't say bye. Suddenly speak time, I need samurai fly.
Wings in the middle of the night, my father yells, "What you gonna do with your life?" Oh, Daddy G, you know you're still number one. But girls say, why the fuck I'm looking for my baby. I'm looking for my baby.
Looking for my lip gloss and my liner. Looking for me, told him meet me at the diner. Got him smiling cause he know I outshine her. Had to pop her just to remind her. Easy little hoe, don't know my M.O. If I went your number, then just let him go. Can't sit in my seat, can't sit in my row. He been said I'm yes, he been said you know. He got a fetish for some pretty feet. He got the super bass, make my heart skip a beat. I mean, red cups like double D. Chanel bags everywhere, that's double C's. You wish buy in your dreams. You know we get into the bag, keeping it a beam. They said what? Oh yeah, I seen. You doing great, Alexander, word to McQueen.